Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Falan Ramadan. I am from major Informasi System from Bina Sarana Informatika, and I'm from class 19 to 07 with team 19251381. And I'm here want to present my results of my English PBL, which is about software, operating system, and hardware. So the first one is software. Software is a collection of instruction, data, or program used to operate a computer and perform specific tasks. Software is some of basic computer in the program. And software is divided into main categories. The first one is system software or OS and application software. For the example and the function is application software is used to assist with office or schoolwork or help people to do their jobs. And the function is like creating documents, creating presentation, processing data, and playing music, and also watch the video on YouTube. The example of application software is Microsoft Word, Google Sheet, Excel, Spotify, and YouTube. The second one is operating system or OS. This is one of the most important software. The OS is control. It's like control all your hardware and application on software activities. And the function is manage memory, runs many process, the organize the storage of your computer, and control hardware is like your keyboards and mouse and printers. The example of OS is the Windows 11, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Without OS in your computer will not read anything. The computer can run text on your jobs. Then the two is operation system. Our system is a part of the software. The difference is that the operating system is truly the basis of the computer itself. It's the basic system of a computer. The OS also controls hardware and software activities. It's like I mentioned before. And then the function and the example is Windows and macOS. Windows is most used or widely used in the world by personal computers like for PCs and laptops. And the function is the organize and source data in folders, making it easy users to find and manage many documents for their jobs. And then there is Apple macOS. macOS is operating system developed by Apple for Mac computer device like MacBook, iMac, and Mac Mini. And the function is maybe is a little different from Windows. It's same there, create to operate the computer for their brands. And then maybe the difference is macOS is kind of specific for brand Apple. This like you simply connect your Mac to your iPhone or iPad, allowing user to share files, airdrop, or reply on message directly from their computer. The last one is hardware. Hardware is the physical component of a computer system that can be seen, touched, and felt by us that function as the body that carries out the instruction from the software. Usually, hardware is obtained by purchasing it or getting it directly from a brand or product. The function and the example is there's two examples for me. There's a RAM and CPU. The CPU is the brain. It's the brain of the computer. Without the CPU, your computer will be unable to think or process any data. The function, yeah, it's like saying the CPU is responsible to receiving instruction from software, performing mathematical and logical, and then providing the result of these commands to another components. And then there's RAM or random access memory. RAM is a temporary data storage are used by computer while it running or run. The more RAM you have, the better your computer perform. It's like 32 RAM, 64 RAM, that your computer will be running better. And that's all from my present, miss. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry, maybe my English is not that good. So sorry and thank you, miss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.